Hey guys, so here's how to make a ring light with under $20. So this is all the material that you're going to need. We have a wreath, we have rope lights that were like $12. We have aluminum foil, which was $1 from the dollar store. Well, of course it's $1. And then we have an extension cord, which was also $1. We have these colored zip ties for $1 from the dollar store, and we also have scissors, which are going to be essential to the next step. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you how we get this ring light created. So here you see me tracing on top of the cardboard using the wreath. Then I'll take these scissors here and I'm going to cut out what we just traced on the cardboard. So the centerpiece here, you don't need it, so discard it. And we're just going to use the outer rim of the cardboard. Place the wreath on top just for measurement, and then we're going to take aluminum foil and wrap it around the cardboard. I'm going to show you how. So make sure that when you do this step, you keep the shiny side of the aluminum foil up. This is the side with the glossy side, not the matted side. We're going to make sure we tie it tightly around the rim of the cardboard. So now we have the lights. This is the most important part. We're going to wrap the lights closely around the wreath, as you can see here, and then we're going to take the zip ties and attach the lights to the wreath. So when you have the zip ties all tight, you want to cut them off so that they're not having the extended pieces poke out. So now we have the aluminum foil, and we're going to put the top of the wreath on the aluminum cardboard. We're going to attach this part here so that the aluminum cardboard is attached to our wreath with the lights. This is going to help keep everything illuminated. So there you have it, guys. We have our ring light, and we actually created this in less than 10 minutes. Can you believe it? So if you want to create a ring light that's less than $20 and that you can create in less than 10 minutes, this is how. I hope this helped you all to create the most cheapest ring light, but it's very durable, it's lasting, and you can rely on it to give you the illuminated light that you need. We thank you all for watching, and we hope it was very helpful. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and remember to always like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. We hope you enjoy it.